love you. Happy birthday, Tita Jessica. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita Jessica.
More birthdays to come.
God bless and praying for good health. Yun. Hehe.
I love you. Stay healthy and stay pretty. See you
See you
soon.
soon.
Hello Jessica, this is Ate Jaya from Philippines and I want to greet you a happy 18th birthday and I hope you enjoy your day and God bless to your family and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Jessica. We love you and stay safe always.
Happy birthday, Jessica!
Happy birthday, Jessica! Happy 18th birthday! Yan.
Hi Jessie, happy 18th birthday. May this new chapter bring you closer to your dreams and never stop believing in yourself. Always remember na andito lang kami ng mga pinsan mo. Pwede mo kaming i-chat and 18 ka na, so pwede ka sumali ng Miss San Manuel. Ayun, happy 18th birthday. See you soon, Jessie.
Hi Jessie, happy 18th birthday. As you begin this new chapter, remember to chase your dreams and never give up. And alam ko naman na you're a hardworking person, kaya deserve mo lahat ng love na meron ka sa paligid mo. And I wish you all the best in life at sana umuwi ka na soon para magbanding na tayo. Happy birthday and Ate Yuki is always here for you. Love you. See you soon.
Happy 18th birthday, Jessica. Ngayon, dalaga ka na. Mas marami ka pang opportunity na makakamit. Basta pagbutihin mo lang araw-araw. And sana maabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Yun lang. And see you soon, Jessica.
Happy 18th birthday, Jessica. Enjoy your day and God bless you.
Hi Jessica, alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Wishing you all the best on your 18th birthday and Eklibidich.
Alles Gute zum Geburtstag, Jessica.
Maligayang bati, Jessica!
Happy birthday, Tita Jessica.
We love you. See you soon.
See you soon.
Hi Jessica, happy 18th birthday.
I hope you feel special today. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Jessica. We love you.
Hello,
Hi,
Jessica!
Jessica!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Naning! We
Love
love
you!
Hello, Jessica! Happy birthday, Naning! Happy 18th birthday to you! O ayan, debut mo na, dalaga na. Ang wish lang namin sa'yo ay sana lahat ng dreams mo sa buhay ay matupad, ibigay sa'yo ni Lord. Kasi isa kang mabait na bata, isang mabait na anak, mapagmahal na pinsan sa mga pinsan mo dito sa Philippines, and pamangkin, mabait na pamangkin at maganda pa. Happy birthday! Enjoy mo lang yung birthday because you deserve everything, all the happiness. So, happy birthday and halika ulit dito sa Philippines. Bakasyon ka ulit. Hintayin ka namin. Okay? Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Jessica! Enjoy your day today. You're now a grown-up lady, so I hope you preserve your purity until marriage and always obey your mommy and papi. See you soon!
Blessed 18th birthday, Jessica. May your life be filled with love, with joy and blessings from the Lord, and may the Lord bless the desires of your heart. And as your Ate Hazel says, stay pure until marriage. See you soon, Jessica. Happy birthday!
Bye!
Happy birthday, Jessica! Wow, 18 ka na. Times 2 yun nung age ko. Jessica, wherever you go and whoever you become in the future, always remember, we will always be proud of you. We're excited to see you. See you soon, and we love you in Pangasinan. Inararumika.
Happy day from Guam. Happy birthday sa iyo. Happy 18th birthday sa iyo, JC. Jessica, parang kailan lang. Dalaga ka na. Enjoy sa iyong birthday. Wish ko lang maging always healthy. Tapos yung mga dreams mo, matupad mo. Huwag mong kalilimutan palagi na mamasyal pa rin dito sa Pilipinas. Kahit wala na sila tatay at nanay, palagi ka pa rin mamasyal. Palagi ka pa rin pupunta ng Pilipinas kasi marami ka namang mga pinsan doon. Kumusta na lang dyan si mami mo, papi mo. Enjoy your birthday. Good luck. Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.